for joining me with all those details. And now moving on. Now, RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav, the chief ministerial face of Mahagathbandhan, has fired a fresh salvo at the NDA ahead of the two-phase Bihar Assembly elections. He has questioned the NDA's promise of prosperity in Bihar, claiming that the government failed to deliver on key initiatives like 2 crore jobs, Startup India and Make in India. He also accused the NDA of constantly harassing Lalu Yadav. Listen in.
वो करते हैं, जो कहा वो किया, जो कह रहे हैं वो करेंगे। कौन क्या इस पे टिप्पा टिप्पणी करे, इस पे हमको कुछ नहीं कहना है ना। 2 करोड़ नौकरी का क्या हुआ, 15 लाख का क्या हुआ, नोटबंदी का क्या हुआ, शाइनिंग इंडिया का क्या हुआ, स्टार्टअप इंडिया का क्या हुआ, क्या मेक इन इंडिया का क्या हुआ। शायद वो अपनी बात जो है हम लोगों पे डालना चाहते हैं, लेकिन हम लोग काम करने में विश्वास रखते हैं। आप देखिए, हम लोग अगले 5 साल क्या करेंगे ये जनता को बता रहे हैं, लेकिन एनडीए में तेजस्वी और लालू जी को गाली देने के अलावा और कोई कुछ नहीं कह रहा है। केवल गाली गलौज कर रहे हैं, नकारात्मक बातें कर रहे हैं, लेकिन ये नहीं बता रहे हैं कि अगले 5 साल आएंगे तो क्या करेंगे। तो हम तो पूरे बिहार में घूम रहे हैं और इस बार बिहार की जनता जो है बेसब्र है बदलाव के लिए।
All right, my colleague Anand Singh is joining me with more details. Anand, big developments there. What can you tell us?
Yeah, Vaishali, look, the way in which Tejasvi Yadav has now hit back at the NDA, he has alleged that the way in which the NDA leaders, they are only making big claims of providing jobs, and their only target is to target Lalu Prasad Yadav and abuse him and himself. So clearly, Tejasvi Yadav has made this big charge that how the NDA campaign is only focused on abusing him and his father, whereas Tejasvi clearly mentioned that he had earlier promised to provide government jobs to the youths of Bihar, and during his 17-month rule with the Mahagathbandhan, he has done that. And once again, he is going with the people and he is telling them the vision for the next 5 years, whereas the NDA, in fact, they are not giving any vision, and they are only busy in targeting the Yadav family, that is RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav, that is his father and him. So clearly, he mentioned that they don't have vision and they don't want to work as they have failed on all parameters, and he also cited several of the government schemes like Make in India and several other in which that has failed completely in providing jobs to the crores of youth that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi had promised in 2014. So clearly, Tejasvi Yadav has laid out a vision that how once voted to power, he will be providing jobs to the youths of Bihar and he will stop the migration, as he is giving the vision for the next 5 years for the state to grow and witness development. Back to you.
Thank you so much, Anand, for joining me with all those details. And now moving on. Now, the Indira Gandhi